Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. It is Jamie here at Aroma Thyme, and I am bringing you my cocktail of the day. Today is a Red Lotus. We just got some new fun stuff in. I got this Gifford lychee liqueur. I also got a new creme de cacao. What else did we get today? We got some other fun stuff. Shipwreck came in today. We needed some new, some more coconut rum. I made this awesome coconut, pineapple coconut rum rita yesterday, which was really good. So we just got some more coconut rum in. But today I'm going to be using this Gifford lychee liqueur on my drink. So thank you everybody for joining me. Hello, Michaela. It is Friday, so thank God it's Friday for those of you that are off on the weekends. Hopefully you're just about getting off and you are preparing for a really nice weekend. So super excited about our weekend. We had jazz last night, which was really, really great. Tomorrow night we have Adele and Jeremy here, the duet, playing music from 7 to 10. Sunday we have our awesome 99 bottles of wine on the bar. Which will probably, as long as the weather is nice, will be outside. So it will really be 99 bottles of wine on the tables, but we call it 99 bottles of wine on the bar. We've been doing that for, gosh, I would probably say about 10 years. You were asking us to bring you a wine tasting like we go to in the city. So we brought it here to Aroma Thyme, and it's a really fun event. So if you're looking for something fun to do on Sunday, 99 bottles of wine is, we still have tickets available, and we'd love for you to join us. The VIP starts at noon, and the general admission starts at 1:30. Tickets can be bought online on our website, aromatymebistro.com. If you want to just walk in, I don't see that to be a problem. You can just come to the event on Sunday and buy tickets while you're here. So it is, I think it's $49 a person, but it's really all you can drink wine. We put out 99 different wines on the bar. You can taste anything you want. We also include a cheese plate this year. So that is a great, great deal. So hopefully we'll see some of you on Sunday. And then Monday we have our wine and beer dinner. It's really a beer dinner, but we're going to be doing wine and beer, so you can choose which one you like. 4 wines or beer for $29. That will be on Monday. So thank you everybody for watching me. Hello, Kate and Calvin and Michaela. Thank you everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. Our buy one get one free special this week is tamarind chicken or tofu with rice noodles and, oh gosh, rice noodles, and what else is it coming with? Thank you, local bok choy. I don't know why I couldn't think of that. Hello, Matthew. Matthew, there's a beer and wine dinner on Monday if you are around and available to come. It is a great night at Aroma Thyme on Mondays. 4 wines and a dish for $29. You can't beat that. Soon, hopefully, we'll be outside in our back garden. We'll be straightening that up this weekend and picking up the leaves and any of the branches that have fallen, and just kind of start getting it straightened up so we can start planting some plants, hopefully in the next week or so. All right, let's get started on my Red Lotus. So I am going to take a shaker, and I'm going to add ice to my shaker. I'm going to add 2 ounces of vodka. We use LIV from Long Island. So LIV vodka, it's a corn-based vodka. I'm going to use this new awesome lychee, which I actually haven't tasted it. Let's taste it together. See what it tastes like by itself. I should have tasted it before. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. I love lychees. The fruit lychee, they are so good. This will make a great lychee martini. It's really good. So, would love that. See you Monday. Awesome. Thanks, Matthew. Hello, Andrea. All right, so 1 ounce of lychee. And I am going to... I have this really awesome, so we just got this really cool new new ice, like they make these big ice cubes, but you know what, they don't fit in the glasses. I don't know why, but they don't fit in the glass, so I have to, let's see if that'll work. Let's see if I can get that to work there. I gotta figure out why they're not working. So I'm gonna pour this on top here. Look at that. Yeah, I don't know if these ice cubes are gonna work. I have to probably temper them, let them sit out for a little bit so that they'll go into a glass a little bit better. So yeah, that doesn't quite work that well. All right, well, back to the drawing board on my ice cubes. Oh, it kind of fits in that glass, but not really. All right, I'm gonna add ice to my glass. And I'm gonna top it off with a little bit of cranberry juice. So our cranberry juice is a non-chemical, no dyes, all fruit juices, so it's not super bright like a cranberry juice would be. I'm going to, all right, let's go ahead and taste away. So Red Lotus, hello Jim. I know Jim, these are really big ice cubes. I have to figure out how to get them to fit into our glass. So it's a really cool system, but I don't know why they don't fit in our glass. I guess I have to temper them and let them sit out for a few minutes. I'm not really quite sure, but when it melts a little bit, it fits in great. I'm not sure, maybe I'm not doing something right, so I'll have to look into that. Yes, LIV is from Long Island. It is their corn vodka. Great distillery on Long Island Distillery, right Marcus?
Yep.
And great people. If you're ever down in the area, check them out. So Red Lotus, 3 ingredients, cranberry juice, vodka, and lychee liqueur. A little bit light, maybe a little bit more lychee. Maybe I would put a little bit more lychee in there. So the nice part about making drinks at home is that you get to experiment. I had a couple in last night that told me that they love the drinks that I make and they try to make a lot of them at home, so that's kind of cool. I'd love to hear some of your stories and what you're making at home. I'd love for you to come join us. We are open this weekend. Lots of great events going on. Join us for 99 bottles of wine on the bar on Sunday. We have music on Saturday night. We have our wine and beer dinner on Monday. And of course, we're open the rest of the weekend. So hopefully we'll see everybody soon. Our buy one, get one free is tamarind chicken or tofu. It's buy one, get one free with rice, noodles, and local bok choy. And that is it for today. I hope everybody has a great night. Hope you have a great weekend, because I'm not quite sure I will get on this weekend. But hopefully I will try to get on tomorrow or Sunday before 99 bottles of wine on the bar. So hello Sabrina, hello Jim all the way in Washington State. Hello Andrea. I'm making Jello shots. Oh, okay, great. What kind of Jello shots are you making, Jim? I'd love to hear. And what kind of spirit are you putting in your Jello shots? Excellent. I hope everybody has an awesome night. Cheers, and I will catch everybody soon.